Today, I'm going to give you a game-changing piece of advice that came from my business partner, Matt Smith at Early to Rise. Matt Smith has built multiple businesses to over 10 figures. He once managed a company. He was the CEO of Stansberry Research, a financial newsletter company that has over $250 million in sales per year, and he managed 250 employees. And he said to me one time, Craig, you need to know your numbers. You need to know the most important number to watch like a hawk every single day. So let's get out our phones, go through our stats, and identify the one number that drives your business. Is it the number of leads generated, the number of sales calls that you have, the number of people that visit your Amazon store, the number of people that hit your checkout page, the number of people that send you referrals? What is it? The number of people that walk in your door, the number of people that come to your group consults where you close them. What is it? What is the most important number in your business? Now, of course, revenue is going to be super important, but what drives the revenue? For us, in my business, is a number of quality leads that we get every single day. And the leads are generated through Instagram, Facebook, advertising, referrals, email marketing. And I know that if we get a certain number of leads per day, we get a certain number of leads per week that are quality leads, and they go on a spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet means that they are moved to a phone call, and the number of people we get quality to a phone call and closed determines our revenue for our coaching business. So that's what I watch like a hawk. And I know if things are down, that changes have to be made. So go, look at your stats, identify your numbers, break it down. And then once you know your numbers, you track them daily like a hawk, and you identify the processes that move and improve your outcomes. And that is what a real business owner does. And I want to turn you into a real business owner over the course of this challenge, all right? So go and do the numbers, report back, drop the number down in the comments below. Let us know what's most important to you. And if you don't know, we'll help you out. We'll help you find the numbers so that you can go and grow.